Do you want to know how you can log into your Chat GPT OpenAI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Chat GPT OpenAI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Chat GPT login. Click on the link which you can see over here and click on login. Now, you can either log in with your email address, your Gmail, your Microsoft account, or your Apple ID. Go ahead and choose which you want. So let me choose Google, and after I choose Google, I will just choose my email address. Then I will see that you can now search ChatGPT. This way, you can log into your ChatGPT, guys. Let me give you another example. I'll click on login. And then I will click on my email address over here, press continue, and write down my password. After I write down my password, I press continue again, and then I can log into my ChatGPT OpenAI account. So guys, this is how you do it. This was a video on how you can log into your ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.